Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of uninstalling Facebook Messenger from your Android device. If you're looking to remove Messenger and free up some space on your phone, this comprehensive guide will provide you with all the necessary steps. So, let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your Android device. Simply swipe up or press the power button to unlock your phone. Step 2. Search for Messenger among your installed apps. You can do this by swiping up on your home screen or accessing the app drawer. Step 3. Once you locate the Messenger icon, tap and hold on it. This will activate the app options or the app info pop-up, depending on your device. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Uninstall or the trash bin icon, signifying the uninstallation process. Step 5. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you want to uninstall Facebook Messenger. Tap OK to proceed. Step 6. The uninstallation process will begin, and you may need to wait for a few moments while your device removes the app. Step 7. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful uninstallation of Facebook Messenger. And there you have it. You have successfully uninstalled Facebook Messenger from your Android device. Removing Messenger can help declutter your phone and save valuable storage space. However, keep in mind that you can still access your Facebook messages through the main Facebook app or the Messenger website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.